In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change time zone on TradingView. Start by going to tradingview.com. I'm assuming you're already logged in, so once the site opens, you should be looking at your main dashboard. This is the home area where you can access the platform's charting tools. From there, move to the top navigation and select Products. In that menu, click Supercharts. Wait a moment for the chart page to load fully. Once the chart renders, make sure you can see the time axis running along the bottom of the chart, because that's where the current chart time zone will be displayed. Now look to the bottom right corner of the chart. You'll see the live time shown there, along with a time zone label such as UTC. This display controls the chart's current time reference. Click directly on that time display. A time zone menu will open showing a list of cities and regions. In that menu, use the search box and look for your preferred location. If needed, scroll through the list until you find the one you want. When you see the correct location, click it. The chart will refresh right away, and all the candles and timestamps will update to match that selected time zone. Next, on your active chart, go to the top right toolbar and click the gear icon to open chart settings. This opens a settings panel where you can adjust chart-specific options. In the panel, select the Symbol tab from the left sidebar. After that, scroll down until you reach the Time Zone dropdown. Click the dropdown to open the available regions and time settings for that chart. Now, scroll through the list or find a different region if the current one is not the one you want. Once you locate the correct time zone, click to select it. This updates the setting inside the chart configuration panel and prepares it to be applied. Click OK in the bottom right corner of the panel. That applies the changes and closes the settings window. Your chart will now use the time zone you selected. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That's how to change the time zone on TradingView using the time display on the chart, and also through the chart settings panel.